Okay, hey, my name's Ainsley. I'm from GoSo Cookware, GOSO. We are selling the Everywhere pan. They're really cool. They're carbon steel pans with removable handle. And if you're not familiar with carbon steel, you probably have heard and used cast iron. So these are just like cast iron, but lighter. The care is basically the same. So whatever your rituals are with your cast iron, you can do with our pans. What people love about our pans is that they pack down really nicely. So they're awesome for your overland situation or any just small kitchen. The handle is made of aluminum. It's not going to melt on you. So you can use these in fire. You can put your pan directly in the fire, take your handle with you, and then grab your food when it's done. It's also induction compatible, and you can use it with gas. So what I've realized being at these shows is that people are so versatile with how they use their cookware, either situationally because you've got induction in your van and you've got a gas backup, but then sometimes you camp by the lake and there's a nice place for fire cooking. So you can do whatever you want with these pans. The other way that people are versatile is over time. So your cooking lifetime with camping is probably like 30 years. And your setup might change in 5 or 10 years. We see a lot of people that make changes to their camp kitchen and they have to get new stuff because what they have doesn't work. So issues would be things like your induction compatible cookware has a plastic handle. You can't put that in the fire. Or you've got some kind of nonstick coating that you can't use at high temperature. So that's a bit riskier with gas or with fire. So yeah, other things to know about, I would say our pans are neat because they're manufactured currently in Wisconsin. And yeah, people love it. Do you have any questions? If you do, you should contact us at gosocookware.com and you can chat with Brent. He'll tell you all about it.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.